Welcome to the Nixon Mansion, sitting on and above the Truckee River in Reno, Nevada. Let's take a tour of this historic home built by Senator George Nixon in 1907. Purchased by the current owner about 18 years ago, this iconic structure was completely refurbished and reconstructed over a 12-year period, bringing its systems and finishes into today's modern world while keeping the elegance of its old world charm. From the beautiful foyer, featuring one of 9 fireplaces, we go down the hall to the grand ballroom living room that features a crackle finish wall treatment with Bezier panels, oak floors with mahogany accents, and a side garden view. The adjoining City View bar features an 11-foot curved bar and opens to both the side lawn and lovely covered terrace overlooking the Truckee River and downtown Reno. Built for entertaining, imagine the easy flow from the hallway through this area to the outdoors. The living room also features original light fixtures and fireplace. From here, enter the salon, a cozy room to enjoy cocktails on a winter's night before dining. Moving across the foyer, visit the library with new and original glass enclosed shelving, perfect for reading, playing a game of chess, or creating a pretty snazzy office. Then we enter the dining room with original chandelier and spacious enough to accommodate up to 80 for a beautiful formal event. And how about the morning room with its special fountain to start your day? Doors open to covered and uncovered patios. A butler's pantry adjoins the beautiful kitchen with La Cornue stove, double sub-zero fridge and freezer, and Gaggenau steamer. Beyond this is a pantry, laundry, and service bath. This end of the mansion also has a guest bath and elevator access to all 4 floors. From the foyer, no stilettos on the beautiful mahogany staircase to the main bedroom level. The primary suite features 2 baths, one with a tub and adjoining dressing room, and one with a shower and dressing room. The adjoining room, with its own fireplace and amazing views of the area, can be a private office or converted to a yoga, exercise, or private meditation space. Down the hall, we have a sitting game area, powder room, and 3 spacious family or guest suites. 2 of the suites overlook the garden, and the 3rd has views of downtown Reno and the hills beyond. Above this level are 4 more smaller suites, a sitting room, and large laundry. This floor has its own patio with views of Reno and mountains to the west, an opportunity for sunning or casual entertaining. On the lowest level of the residence is a wine cellar, game room, and huge amount of storage, along with the engine, all the modern-day mechanics and services to keep the mansion humming. The elevator starts here and goes to the top floor. Thank you for joining us on a brief tour of this beautiful offering in the wonderful historic section of downtown Reno.